Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So if you watch my channel, you may have caught a video I did a few videos back where I worked on my compressor, drained the water out and stuff. And I got several good comments saying that I should change the valve from the type of valve that it is. I don't know. I think they call it a pin valve. I'm not sure. But they said I should get rid of it and get a quarter turn valve or a ball valve. So I went to the plumbing store and they, very swiftly told me, "This is a plumbing store. No, we don't have that stuff here." Okay, so sorry. But anyway, I did find a place that has all kinds of compressor parts. And when I started to tell the guy what I wanted, he was like, "Yeah, I know. Show me what you got, blah, blah, blah." And he gave me everything I needed. So I ended up taking the valve out. This was what I had. It had tape on it, and I ran it through the brass wire brush to get that off. But this was in there, and it is pretty crappy. And the guy sold me this. It's a piece of pipe and a ball valve, quarter turn valve, I believe is what Scoutcrafter called it. And this little, I guess you'd call it an L. So now I don't know if this is gonna fit under there. We'll see. If not, I'll have to figure out a way to get around it. But anyway, I'm gonna put that in first. Then I'm gonna connect this piece all together, and then I'll put this piece there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get started. Well, that's it for this video. There's one more thing I want to do to the compressor. You notice the piece of wood that I have to keep it from vibrating around. I think what I want to do, my daughter actually had this idea. She said I should put some other layers of wood underneath it, 2x4s or whatever, raising the whole thing up, and then that space underneath the valve and the pipe leave that wide enough so that I can slide something like this underneath it, and when I turn it off at night, there's some sort of vessel to collect the rust, you know. So, but anyway, I'm super happy. Thank you all for the suggestions. They were great, and I think, you know, maybe this thing will last a lot longer. So anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot. See you next time.